Welcome! In this tutorial, we will walk you through the visionCATS Diagnostics feature, your central tool for monitoring system status and identifying potential issues. To begin, open the visionCATS menu, navigate to Options, and select visionCATS Diagnostics. The Server Diagnostics section, labeled Properties, provides a quick overview of the system. Within the Diagnostics section, you can generate and configure debug log files for all connected components, including clients and instrument services. By default, visionCATS records only the most recent logs and uses a standard warning level to highlight errors or potential issues. For more advanced analysis, you can enable extended log history. You also have the option to include system dumps, which are automatically generated by Windows in the event of application crashes. These can be valuable for diagnosing unexpected failures, although they may increase file size and processing time. Use the Get Debug Logs function to create a compressed zip file that can be easily shared with the CAMAG support team. After extraction, you can review the exported log data. To update the displayed information, simply click the Refresh button on the Diagnostics info page. Next, switch to the Client Diagnostics tab. Diagnostics should be executed on every machine running visionCATS. If any diagnostic test fails, this may indicate issues that require further investigation. The Diagnostics section also maintains a history of reports, allowing you to review previous system states. A preview of the current or historical diagnostics report is available directly within the interface. Create a new diagnostics test by clicking on the Create button. Next, click the Start button to initiate the diagnostics test. The test includes checks such as the 3D viewer test, computer test, reporting test, network test, and Python test. After the tests have been completed, you can confirm the diagnostics by clicking the Accept button. You also have the option to electronically sign the report. Print it for documentation purposes, export it as a PDF, review PDF generation debug information, or open the temporary folder used for PDF creation. Using the diagnostics feature regularly helps ensure system reliability and simplifies troubleshooting when needed. Thank you for watching this visionCATS tutorial video.